What if I told you that you could make this already incredibly satisfying fidget cube into something even more satisfying? What if I told you I could turn it from something repetitive like keep on doing this to something very unrepetitive like this? Now this is actually really simple. You don't have to build anything new. You don't have to majorly rebuild this or redesign this. All you really have to do is you put it into this orientation where you can see these hinges. You take these two plates out, then you replace this hinge with two 1x2 plates. Then you put these 2x2 plates back on, and yeah, see, you have that motion again. And you can put it back into a square if you want, or this is much less repetitive. And the cool thing about this is that if you don't like this, it's super simple to fix. You just take these 1x2 pieces out again, place it with the hinge again. So yeah, really cool.